Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to survive a kitchen remodel. There's a lot of things to consider when you're remodeling your kitchen. Basically, how extensive are you going to go? You got to ask yourself that question. Are you going to just be removing and replacing cabinets and maybe your countertops, or are you actually going to be relocating cabinets and relocating your sink, or maybe relocating your fridge? You got to take all these into consideration. If you're just replacing the countertops and the cabinets, you may want to save the last countertop with the sink for last. That may be helpful, so you can still actually access your kitchen. You can still access the sink and the water supply. If you're in there, if you're doing a full-scale remodel and you're moving your cabinets around, then you may consider maybe even getting a motel or renting a little apartment until the job's done. It's hard to live without your kitchen, but definitely if you're planning on living in your house and that's not an option to go anywhere else, you want to save the cabinet that's got your sink on it for last. You want to save that just for even on the demo and everything. You can demo everything else out of here, but you want to make sure that you leave your cabinet with the sink there first. Until last, because that way you'll be able to still access your sink, you'll still have access to water, and you'll still be able to move around the kitchen. And that's basically some things to survive a kitchen remodel.